why not coming for walking these days? Oh, Priya, I really don't have time for walking. Besides, I got a new home gym from the US, and so I'm doing my fitness workouts in the house only.
Hey, that's bad, Rita. If you don't come out on walks, how do we catch up with all the latest gossips?
Yeah, and you are supposed to be the gossip queen of our community. Oh, that's true. I can't deny that. Hey, by the way, we got a new WhatsApp group that has been created by all the ladies in our locality.
What? New group?
Oh, please. I'm fed up with these groups.
Hey, listen. This is not like any other group, okay? This is a special group, and it's called Gossip Queens.
Wow, Gossip Queens? So, what's the latest discussion on the special group? Oh yeah, did you hear about the 2 new families that recently moved into our neighborhood? You mean the Sunils and Ravi's family?
Yes, exactly. You know what? It's such a coincidence. Both of them have children of the same age. Same school, same class. Sunil's wife always brags about the kids and their excellent scores.
Oh, that's bad. I can't stand such characters. Yeah. Okay, how about Ravi's family? Mrs. Ravi seems to be fine. She doesn't talk much about their children. And there's always a lot of happy sounds from their house.
Let us take a look at both the families. Meanwhile, stay tuned for all the latest gossips on Gossip Queen.
Akash, wake up! It's 5. Don't you have to study? You have a lot of portions to complete. Irresponsible boy. Mom, I'm still very sleepy. Can I sleep for some more time, please?
Akash, you are really a hopeless boy. Do you realize the exams are coming up in another month? You have to score the highest like always. And you, give me a notebook. What? 2 spelling mistakes? This is definitely not accepted.
But Dad, actually...
Hope you realize the importance of scoring the highest.
Yes, Dad. We both, me and your father, have always scored the highest. We were the best at everything. We were the best students. We want you to carry the legacy and keep up our name.
Nothing less than 99 is acceptable. Mom, Dad, you know we are trying our best.
Who is it at this time?
Somebody or the other keeps disturbing us like this. Go and check.
Hi, Auntie.
Is Akash there?
Auntie, is Priya there?
What are you doing here?
Auntie, we came to meet Akash and Priya.
Akash and Priya are busy studying, okay?
என்ன கொடுமை சரவணனது.
Auntie, just for 5 minutes. Children, is this the time to play?
Auntie, we just wanted to discuss a few things all related to studies.
Yes, Auntie, we have an important science project that has to be submitted this week. Yes, Auntie, our teacher is very strict.
Please.
Oh, okay, go inside.
Hi guys! I'm so glad you came.
We were getting fed up with studying.
Akash, you're always studying. You need a break, dude.
I know.
What is wrong with both of you? I've never seen anyone studying so much.
Don't you ever get fed up? We can't help it, guys.
Oh, come on. If you don't play now, then when will you?
Look at all of our friends. They go to the park, they go to the movies. We hang out in each other's house.
This is not right, guys.
Akash, hope you're studying. Are your friends disturbing you?
No, auntie. We are discussing our studies only. We were not talking about PUBG or Fortnite.
And what about you girls? Looks like you're chit-chatting happily.
No, uncle. Oh, actually, we were talking about Barbies.
No, Dad, no. Studies. We were talking about studies. Anyway, enough of your project. You kids go home now. Go.
But auntie, we just came. You didn't give us anything to eat.
We are hungry.
சபா இப்பவே கண்ணை கட்டுது.
First of all, you come and disturb my children, and now you want me to feed you? Just go home.
No, guys, please stay. It's fine, Akash. Your mom never likes us meeting you.
She's so rude.
We are not coming here to play ever.
Come on, don't say that, guys. But we love to have you over.
I don't care. We're not coming here anymore. Hey, let's go to Ravi uncle's house. It's much more fun there.
My. Did you see how rude those parents were? You're right. I really feel bad for Akash and Priya. You think we should discuss this on the WhatsApp group? No, Rita. It's better we don't discuss such sensitive things on the group. You're right. Hey, I'm quite interested and curious to know more about the Ravi's family. Oh yes, let's take a look at Ravi's family. I'm so bored. Mom, Dad, shall we play Uno?
Uno? Really?
Yeah, Dad, come on, it'll be fun.
Oh, alright, let's play. This game is one of my favorites.
I'm ready.
Wonder who it is at this time. It would be nice to have some guests around.
Hi, Auntie.
Oh, hello, my darlings. How are you all? And hey, why did you come for playing all these days?
Auntie, we have exams coming up, so my parents were not letting us play.
Is Nisha and Rahul there?
Of course they're there. Come on in and let's have some fun. Hello, boys. Now the game is going to get interesting.
Hey, what are you all up to?
Looks like you're having a lot of fun. Oh yes, we are playing Uno.
Uno now? And you just have another month to go for the exams.
So what? There's nothing wrong in playing. All of us need a break. So come on, join us.
Sure, we would love to. Hey Rahul, did you tell your marks?
Nisha, how about you? Stop, I'll tell later. Don't breathe a word, we are going to tell them later.
Rahul, Nisha, what's happening?
Nothing, Dad, nothing.
Come on, out with it.
Dad, we have something to tell you. Please don't get angry. Please don't shout at us.
What happened? Whatever it is, don't hide from us. We are your parents. We definitely will understand. Yes, children, please go ahead.
We got our marks and they are not so great.
What? You got your marks?
செத்தாங்கடா அவங்க இன்னைக்கு செம்ம டோஸ் தான்.
டே வாடா நம்ம ஓடிரலாம்.
Okay, bye uncle, bye auntie.
Hey, wait you guys. Don't worry. Rahul, Nisha, you relax. Would you like to talk to them? Yes. Rahul, how much did you score?
59.
And you?
61 only.
Okay, don't get so scared. It's not such a bad score after all.
What? என்னடா கதை இப்படி ஆயிருச்சு?
59 61 ஓகேவா?
லக்கிடா.
Mom, Dad, are you sure you're okay?
Well, I wouldn't say they are the best marks.
Dad, I tried my best to study, but some of the concepts I find them very hard. No, uncle. Actually, the truth is, he always keeps painting anything and everything.
இப்போ நான் போட்டு கொடுக்கற பாரு. During all his free time, he's always painting.
Painting? That's wonderful. And mommy, every time I sit down to study, all I could think about is dancing. Dancing day and night.
Rahul, Nisha, we want you to understand one thing. We totally respect your interests in dancing and painting. We also understand your difficulty in learning.
We do not expect you to be perfect in studies. All that we expect from you, be the best in what you do. Put your best effort. Be genuine to your loved one.
Remember, we will always love you.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. You are the best.
But, what? Does this mean we're not going to blast them?
And we have a parents' meeting tomorrow. I'm sure they'll have a lot of complaints.
That's fine, we will handle them. They are our children. I need to protect them.
Dear parents, it's my pleasure to welcome all of you to the parents-teachers meeting. I am very happy to announce that this year once again 2 children have topped. They're none other than Akash and Priya. They are a perfect example for hard work and dedication, and the credit equally goes to their parents. Mr. and Mrs. Sunil, they have been toppers, and now their kids are following their legacy. Let's have Akash and Priya on stage to say a few words about their success and their achievement.
Success? Achievement? Well, I'm grateful for all the kind words all have spoken. If you frankly ask our opinion, we are happy that we have scored the highest. We feel good, but we are definitely not happy about our childhood. Yes, when we turn back and look at our life, all that we remember, books, test papers, alarm clocks, timetables and angry parents. We don't remember when was the last time we went out and played with our friends. We have never gone out on family trips or get-togethers. I don't remember ever watching TV with my family. When we look at other children, we feel miserable. We envy their time and freedom. Does only scores decide what we are? What really decides us? Please tell us. That was really a very emotional.
Did you see how sad Akash and Priya looked despite their excellent scores?
And that one question, what really decides us? It's not only scores, it's about their general well-being.
Each child is unique and special in their own way. If we as parents don't do that, then who will?
Please be there for your child. Respect their feelings.
Listen to what they say.
And that's what makes them really special.
Dear parents, we love you. Parents, we love you unconditionally. Please do the same. We need you.